Hi buddy, how you doing? So, I just wanted to say hello and I found somebody that you used to know a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, more like 2 months ago. Do you want to see who it is? Come, follow me. Come on, follow me down this hallway. Come on, come on. Let's go see. Want to see this? I think it's an old friend of yours. And do you know what? I think you made this friend. You did, didn't you? Let's have a look. Let's have a look in here. It's a new bedroom. Let's see. Let's see here. I wonder where it is. Oh, what's this? This is the photo of a baby on the wall that I just put on the wall for you. You know who it is? It's you. Anyway, so let's look for your friend. Hello, where's your friend? Where's Alex's friend? Hello? Ah, what's that? Did you hear that? Ah, whoa, I wonder who that is. Where it is? Where is he? Ah, I wonder where he is. Oh, wow. Hello? Wow, who's this? Who's that? Hello? Hey, buddy. How you doing? It's been a long time since I've seen you. Yeah. So, what do you want to do? I guess you want to say hi to Alex. Who's Alex? What do you mean, who's Alex? Just kidding. Alex is my best friend. Oh, he was just messing around. Clever little monster. What kind of animal are you? A snake. A snake? I think it looks more like a lizard. No, I'm a snake. I think he looks more like a dragon. What do you think, Alex? Think he looks like a dragon? Yeah, I thought so too. No, I stink. Oh, well, just to pacify this guy here, let's just call him a snake, shall we? Alright. So, what's going on? Well, I don't know. I thought you might want to do something to say hi to Alex. Hi, Alex. Yeah, you want to show Alex all of your teeth? Sure. Wow, it's a lot of teeth. Isn't that amazing? Wow. You know what I think we should do? What? I think we should read Alex a book. Why? Well, because Alex likes books. Ow! Come on! Well, yeah, let's go read a book. It depends on what kind of book. Well, I'll go show you the book and you might like it. Okay? I think you've read this one before and I know Alex has read this one before. So we go and do it? Okay. Alright, let's go and do it. Okay. Which book are we talking about? This one. Oh, what a good idea for a book. I think that's a great idea for a book. Let's do it. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start then. Alright, Master Specs. Master Specs. He-Man, I'm wondering why you're so blind. Why is the book so perfect? I don't know. It's just like that. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Let's do the back. Martha Specs. Yeah, I know. Just read the book. Martha Specs. All right. Let's go read the book. See if they get the page. That day, Helen gave Martha Stark her alphabet soap. Something unusual happened. No, that's just Martha's brain. So, that's just Martha's brain. And look at the alphabet soap. Going into the instead of going down. The letters in the soap went up to Martha's brain instead of down into her stomach. Yeah, I know, we said that already. Let's go to the next page. Okay. That evening, Martha spoke. Is it a time for my dinner? Hey. What? You're supposed to use the dark voice. Don't use your own voice. I don't know how to make a dark voice. Do you want me to make the dark voice? Sure, you can do it. Okay. Is it the time for my dinner? Thank you. Next page. Martha's family had so many questions for her. Of course she had so many questions for them. Blah. Have you always understood what we were saying? You bet. Do you want to know what Benji is really saying? Why don't you come and recall? You people are so bossy. You never say please. What's this nonsense about pit bulls? Do dogs swim every night? Why do you drink out of the toilet? Now the next page. Alphabet soup became a regular part of Martha's diet, and the family had a wonderful time surprising people. Walk in the dark must always get more laugh. Now see, they're walking the dog now. And the dog is asking, yo, Vinty, get dog, how's the flea problem? That's funny. I know, I agree, it's really funny. Don't you think so, Alex? I think it's pretty funny. Let's go to the next page. They ordered pizza from a different restaurant every night. Oh, you want me to do the dog's voice? Yes. Okay, so the dog said, how much do I owe you to the pizza guy? And the pizza guy's shocked. They taught Martha how to use the phone. But this was a mistake. Hello, Acme Meat Company. I'd like to make an order. pretty soon, Martha Pizza was being delivered. But I didn't order any barbecue. Family and friends were amazed. Please pass the carcass. I'm sorry, I'm supposed to make the dog's voice. Please pass the carcass. You know what a carcass is? A carcass is like a dead animal or something, so they wanted to eat the carcass, but then like the cow meat, pig meat, chicken meat, and that kind of stuff. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, let's get back to it. And now the doggy is asking the grandmother a question. You wanna go for a walk, Granny? Should we go to the next page? Although there were those who doubted, there is no such thing as a talking dog. What? I'm supposed to do this? Oh, sorry. Martha always had the last word. Speak, Martha. What? Just kidding. But there was a problem. Now that Martha could talk, there was no stopping her. She said exactly what was on her mind. Oh, you want me to say it? Why is that man so fat? Oh, no, not a nice thing to say at all.